today on Henry's How To's, I'm going to show you how to make the best crispy roast potatoes. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so I'm going to do my recipe based on 4 russet potatoes. Now russet potatoes are very good because they're very nice and starchy. Now any potato will work, but russet works the best. So the first thing we'll do is give these a wash. Alright guys, all washed, so what we're going to do now is just start peeling these. Alright, so that's all our potatoes nice and peeled. So guys, what we're going to do now is just dice these up. Now we're going to go for nice coarse dices. Just like that, so they're nice and bite-sized. Now of course you can go smaller if you want, or you can go any shape you want. That's completely up to you. But just try to make them all the same size. That ensures they'll all cook at the same time. So guys, once that's done, I'm just going to add them all into a saucepan. So we're just going to top this up with some water right until the top of our potatoes, and just on a high heat we want to bring that up to the boil. And we'll also add 1 teaspoon of salt. Alright guys, so once we get a boil going, we're just going to turn the heat down to low to medium. Let's get a nice gentle boil, and we just want to boil for about 5 to 6 minutes. Alright guys, so I'm just at the 7-minute mark now. So as you can see, all the sides are nice and rough now, which is what you want. You don't want it to be nice and smooth. So that's good timing. We'll go ahead and turn the heat off, and we're going to drain this now. So we'll go ahead and just strain it. Now we don't need to run any cold water on it, but what we need to do is just shake it around like that. And as you can see, the sides are breaking nicely, and that's what we want. That's how we're going to get a very nice crispy roast potato. So guys, at this point you want to start preheating your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. So we'll go ahead and add our potatoes into a bowl. And to this I'm going to add about 50 grams of butter. Just into small pieces like that. And we'll season with 1 teaspoon of salt. And we'll add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped parsley, just to give it a nice colour. Next we'll add half a teaspoon of black pepper. And I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil as well. So guys, let's give this a mix in there. Let's get everything well combined. And we want to get that butter nice and melted. So guys, seeing as air fryers are the latest craze, I'm going to use my air fryer for this recipe. But the same rules apply as our oven. So all I'm going to do is add our potatoes straight on. And just separate them as you do. And I can already tell these are going to come out amazing. Alright guys, so if you're going to put them into the oven, we're going to leave it in there for about half an hour until they're nice and golden brown. At about 20 minutes you can take it out and give it a shake. Now if you're doing the air fryer method, it will come out at around the same. I'm going to leave it for about 25 minutes. And at the same temperature, so let's go ahead and do that. Alright guys, so I've just pulled it out. Just listen to that crunch. That's what you want when you have a roast potato. So guys, at this stage all we'll do is empty this into the bowl, and we'll just season with a pinch of salt, give that a shake, and let's serve. Beautiful. Okay guys, and that was my take on the best crispy roast potatoes, and you heard the sound. Can you hear that crunch? Absolutely amazing. Ready to go with our Sunday roast. I hope you like that guys. Please like, share and subscribe. You can also follow me on Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram and TikTok. If you got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom, and I'll see you all next time.